Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Does anyone know which country or city this is?
No.
Maybe if you weren't driving like that to begin with, you wouldn't have gotten honked at. When you're driving, maybe you should devote your full attention to it. This idiot honks at me after almost pulling into me because they weren't paying attention. Too cool to wait at the intersection. They definitely knew they hit that car. Be careful while driving around, idiots. This idiot runs a stop sign, comes within inches of hitting me, and runs me into a construction barrel. This driver insisted he didn't hit me.
A few moments later.
This motorcycle gang thinks they don't need to follow any laws. Just a couple of knuckleheads road raging and smashing into signs.
Highlights I wanted to show from the subreddit. That's in your edit, right?
Yeah, that's in my edit.
So why don't we go ahead and look at...
Whoa, what the f***?
We need to click this link here.
Brother! Oh, shit!
This is the
What the f***? You just hit that sign, bro!
What Dan was talking about.
At least they used their turn signal, I guess. This driver had me thinking I was going the wrong way for a second. This idiot missed his exit and tried to merge into my lane. Did the white Subaru run the red light? What did you get from driving so harshly? I catch up to you after just 5 minutes?
Two hours later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.